In this video, I'm going to show how to add one of the 3D printed beauty rings for a Canon F1 film camera. Things that you'll need: Canon F1 and the ID or OD beauty rings. The ID ring is the smaller ring that will actually screw into the diopter ring, where the OD ring is the larger kind of D-shaped ring that slips over. Let's start with the ID ring first. Get this OD ring out of the way. So the Canon F1 has threads on the inside of the diopter ring. This one right here doesn't have the factory diopter or beauty ring, as those often fall off and get lost, and they're becoming more and more difficult to find. So I made some 3D printed ones that should fit this camera. The ID ring has a little lip that fits inside of this ring and screws into place as such. With a little bit of pressure to make sure that the threads grab onto the 3D printed material, and a slight turn, the beauty ring is now installed. It sits pretty flush against it and will protect your glasses from coming into contact with the camera's otherwise metal ring. To remove it, a firm grasp and counterclockwise rotation of it removes it, and it can be reinstalled and removed as necessary. We will now switch to the OD ring. As I mentioned, the OD ring is D-shaped. It's D-shaped to allow it to be installed and allow the back door to be opened and access to either install a new roll of film, remove the old roll of film, what have you, without having to remove the D-ring. This one slips on. You'll notice that the bottom of the camera has a little notch on there, and the ring itself has a corresponding notch on the bottom. To install this one, you just align the two notches together, and it is a press fit. So once the notches are aligned, it will press on. As you can see, this one is considerably larger than the smaller ring. The smaller ring almost even fits within it, allowing you greater view of the viewfinder while still giving you protection from the metal ring. To remove the large OD beauty ring, firm grasp, and it pulls right off. If either of these rings are something that you want to have slightly more permanently attached to your camera, a little bit of glue on the D-ring will help hold it in place and not fall out as your camera is in the camera bag, pocket, or what have you. Thank you for watching. And if you like videos like this where I make custom 3D designs, print them, and then showcase how to use them, please subscribe to my channel.